If you're a copywriting beginner, then writing persuasive copy might feel a bit overwhelming. You might even stare at a blank screen with no idea what to write. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to share 3 amazing copywriting formulas that you can use to write any type of copy, even if you're a beginner with no previous experience. So, what is a copywriting formula exactly? Well, imagine you're trying to bake a cake for the first time. Let's say a delicious chocolate cake. Without a recipe, you might find yourself mixing ingredients randomly, uncertain of the quantities or when to add what. The result could be a cake that's too dry, too sweet, or doesn't taste good at all. Now, a tried and true chocolate cake recipe, handed down through generations or shared by a skilled chef, serves as a formula that guides you through the process. It tells you exactly what ingredients you need, the exact measurements, and the steps to take, ensuring that the end result is a delicious cake. Now, the same principle applies to the copywriting formulas you're about to learn in this video. These formulas provide a structured framework or recipe to creating effective, compelling copy. They guide you on what ingredients to include and in what order, ensuring that the message not only attracts attention, but also moves the reader through a journey from interest to action. So let's get started with the first copywriting formula, my favorite one, the AIDA formula. AIDA stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. First, you need to grab your target audience's attention, and getting attention is really important nowadays because people have attention spans shorter than a goldfish. The best way to grab attention, of course, is with a compelling headline, an email subject line, or a blog post title, depending on what type of copy you're writing. Getting attention is, of course, important, but it's useless if you aren't able to keep it. The next step is to keep them interested so that they continue reading your copy. One of the easiest ways to do this is to write about the problems they're going through or the results they want to achieve. The next part is to create desire for the product or service you're selling. You do this by sharing all of the benefits, results, or outcomes that they can expect from using your product or service. Explain exactly how it will improve their lives. And finally, persuade them to take action, whether that action is clicking a button, buying a product, requesting a quote, or just clicking a button. Tell them exactly what you want them to do next using clear and direct language. Here's an example of the AIDA formula in action. Attention. Are you tired of feeling self-conscious about your smile? Interest. If you're too shy to smile in photos and even cover your mouth when you laugh, don't worry, we can help, just as we have for thousands of other people. Desire. Imagine being able to smile with confidence and feel proud of your teeth. With our powerful teeth whitening kit, you can remove years of stains and enjoy a brighter, more youthful looking smile. Action. Order our teeth whitening kit today and take the first step towards a brighter, more confident smile. The second copywriting formula we're going to talk about today is the PAS formula. Now, PAS stands for problem, agitation, and solution. The first step is to identify the problem that your audience is facing. This is the most important part of your copy, so make sure you spend time researching the audience problems before you start writing. The next step is to agitate the problem. This is where you explain the consequences of having the problem and why having it could make their life even worse. The final step is to provide a solution to the problems you've identified. This is where you get to make everything better. And of course, the solution is the product or service you're selling in your copy. Here's an example of the PAS formula in action. Problem. Are you struggling to get a good night's sleep? Agitate. Do you find yourself tossing and turning all night, unable to shut off your brain? Are you tired of feeling groggy and unproductive during the day because your lack of sleep? Solution. Our all-natural sleep supplements is designed to help you fall asleep faster, so you can wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. The next copywriting formula for beginners is the 4 C's formula. The 4 C's stands for clear, concise, compelling, and credible. First, be clear. Ensure your message is easily understood by using clear, simple language. Next, be concise. Trim any fluff, keeping your copy straightforward and to the point. Then, be compelling. Engage your readers with a captivating narrative that encourages action. Lastly, establish credibility. Build trust by backing claims with facts, testimonials, and proof. So here's an example of the 4 C's copywriting formula. Clear. Our gym offers a variety of classes and equipment to help you achieve your fitness goals. Concise. Get fit and feel great with our gym membership. Compelling. Imagine feeling confident, strong, and powerful, ready to tackle any challenge that comes your way. Credible. Our gym has been voted the best in the city for 3 years in a row and has helped 500 members achieve their fitness goals. If you enjoyed this video, then I'm sure you'll enjoy Copy Academy, my members-only community where you can share your copy and get feedback from myself and other copywriters. To learn more, simply visit startcopywriting.com/Copy Academy or click on the link in the description below this video. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.